Greetings, Southwest Florida. Thanks for joining me. I'm Ray, Greatest Cape Administrator. Welcome to the Greatest Cape Events Rundown for the week ending Saturday, July 14, 2012. Friday's finally here, and the rainy weather continues. Maybe we'll see a sunset today. Whenever it does finally slow up, why not head over to the Broadway Palm Dinner Theater for the musical Grease? Travel back to Rydell High in the 1950s and enjoy the hit songs including Summer Nights, We Go Together, I'm Sandra Dee, Grease Lightning, and many others. Tickets range from $27 to $51 each, and they're available online as well as at the box office. On Saturday morning, you can head out early to Matlacha for the 10th annual David Lee Root Memorial Fishing Tournament. Fish by boat, kayak, or from anywhere you can stand in this annual catch and release tournament. A barbecue follows the fish weigh-in along with prizes and drawings, and all proceeds will benefit the Trauma Center at Lee Memorial Hospital. Admission is $50 per angler and $25 for children 12 and under. Saturday evening in Cape Coral, pack up the whole gang and head for family fun night at Sunsplash. Sunsplash Family Water Park opens their doors after hours for families to partake in water slides, pools, and music. Family Fun Nights is held the second Saturday each month through September, weather permitting. Admission is just $7 for Cape Coral residents and $9 for non-residents. On Sunday in Fort Myers, you can check out the Savvy Sunday Art and Flea Market, where you can shop for original artwork, antiques, home decor, jewelry, handbags, clothing, and more. In this art and flea market, held the third Sunday of each month. It all takes place at the Savvy Art Gallery and Boutique on Cypress Lake Drive in Fort Myers. To find out more details about the events you've heard me mention on today's Greatest Cape Events Rundown, or simply to discover other forthcoming Southwest Florida happenings, be sure to visit the Southwest Florida and Cape Coral events calendar at Greatest Cape. While you're there, register on our site, build a calendar for yourself. If you'd like to submit an event, you can simply click upon our Submit an Event link, which you'll find further down our homepage in the left-hand column. If there's an event you'd like mentioned on the Greatest Cape Events Rundown, direct that to me by sending an email to wray@greatestcape.net, and I'll get in touch with you. Also, we'd like to invite you to visit Greatest Cape's new business directory online. There's a link directly from our homepage. Until next Friday, Southwest Florida, stay safe, enjoy your weekend, and as always, we'll look forward to seeing you online.